Xpress Seal, the direct inject refrigerant sealant built on the formula that created the category. Inside the system, the formula circulates as inert monomers, completely inactive, traveling only with the refrigerant, through every line, every passage, every component without issue. When monomers reach the leak site, pressure change, moisture, and air do the work. The formula activates right there and only there. A permanent seal forms at the leak point, polymer-free inside the system, and no preformed macromolecules. Formulated for a permanent seal, not a patch, not a temporary fix. It will not clog your TXV, it will not block cap tubes or orifices. The monomers are smaller than the refrigerant molecules they travel with. They pass through every restriction and only polymerize where they find atmosphere. 3/4 ton appliances, 5-ton residential, commercial systems up to 125 tons. One product line, sized for every job on your truck. Xpress Seal, compatible with all refrigerants, including the new A2L and A3s. Proven chemistry, ready for every system you service. From Vapco,